Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to combine or merge multiple videos into single video without any, let's see, any other tools or AI or nothing. It's just only with FFmpeg. So in the previous video I showed you how to install the FFmpeg in your device and and use it for combining the videos. And let me see, let me show you just let as you can see here, I have 4 videos here and 4 files, and I would like the format. Let's say the format is to have it like this here. As you can see, file, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and you can see here starting with file, then single quotation in the beginning, and one is at the end. But let me see. I just want to show you one, let's say, additional step how to copy these names. For instance, you need to add this command here. Just find a tree. Let me just show this command here, which will show you all the names in this file, in this directory. Let's see, you can see here. And if you need, but you can see mb4 text. But if you need it only for the specific extension, you can find this one, find string fpg, and just copy this to the to any editor. Let me see. Let's see the this one here, the Visual Studio Code. Sorry, and you just need to add file. Okay, but let me see if this work. If we just select this one, you can see. For instance, if you need to add multiple to make multiple update, or let's say modification. For instance, this file, if you need to replace it, you have to go, for instance, this one replace and blah. But now let me just show you this in Visual only. I think in Visual Studio, you need to press Control and letter D. This will select, for instance, this, and now you can update the the relevant files here. For instance, you need to remove this, add it here, go to the end of the file folder file line and add this. This is only let's say additional step for you. Now let me just see. This is the only the command you need to run in your terminal. Copy, and let me see. This is the current directory. I will just close this and open it again. Open terminal here. You can also run it from here. CMD. This also work, but I'm just trying to open it in a terminal or open terminal here, and copy the format, the the video, the command. This is the command, and here's the file concatenation save. Yeah, because sometimes, as you can see, there is a space between the name of the files, and this will try to eliminate, or let's say solve this issue. And this is the video. I will take the video names, or let's see the names of the videos from this file, which is this one here. Now let me just hit enter. Yeah, and this will save the video in the container. Let me just try, and as you can see here, it's already generated without any tools. And you can see here number of, I mean, the time is 40 minutes. And also, let me just show you this. Kobe here, I think it's not needed. So let's remove it and just add the name, for instance, 0. Okay, with Kobe, it's somehow faster, yeah. But I will try to kill this process because it's not needed. Let me just see, for instance, Kobe container 0. It's already generated, as you can see here. It's already half of the, I think half of the full file. Well, see, it's only 1 minute, so it's corrupted. So the Kobe, just try to use Kobe command, clear. Try to use command Kobe command, this one here, just to make it faster. So let me click enter. Okay, you need to override this. Yes, now you can see it's super fast. So now this is how to create, how to combine or merge multiple videos without any tools. You don't need to pay anything. It's a free tool and impressive tool. Okay, then thanks for watching and see you next time.